Hello, my name is Florian and I'm an embedded system engineer at Sunbirds. Today we're going to see how to do a simple inspection mission. So here I'm on the flight view, and what I want to do is go to the plan view here so I can plan my future mission. So here I'm on a forest I want to inspect. What I want to do first is on the left, go to waypoint and click on the map. I will have a warning saying that I'm not connected to a drone and I'm in offline waypoint edition mode. So when I put my first waypoint, I'm going to have a home there and then a takeoff, which will always be at 35 meters of altitude. Then I can continue with my waypoints for my mission. The points are going to be replaced when they are too low automatically. So I continue with my mission, and for example, if I want to inspect this area, what I can do is go to the waypoint, then on camera, and then from no change it to take photos time and choose the interval between the photos from 2 seconds to, for example, 10 seconds. Then on another waypoint here, I can keep no change. And for example, here I want to stop taking photos. So here I'm going to go to the camera, stop taking photos. So my drone will take photos from the point 4 and until the point 6. So I will inspect all this area. Then I can continue here. And for example, if I want to inspect this area, this time I can choose in camera, take photo distance and change the distance. So for example, 50 meters. So the drone will take photos every 50 meters. And here I want it to stop. So here, stop taking photos. So my drone for this mission will take photos between the waypoints 4 and 6 and between the waypoints 7 and 8. Then, to finalize my mission, I want to have a landing. So I'm going to, on the left, go to landing and click on my last landing waypoint. As you can see, automatically a L-shape form. So this is my landing procedure and it has to be respected. I can, for example, choose the angle for my landing here. So I will go where I want to go. Then my simple inspection mission is finished. What I can do is go to sync and to save it on my PC for later. So save to file. I can choose here on my desktop another simple mission, simple inspection mission 2. Save. Then my mission is saved on my PC and will be used later on the field. What I can do is erase my mission, remove all, and then I can show you how to load it. Again, go to sync, load from file, yes, then simple inspection mission 2, and then my mission is loaded again. So that's the steps I will need to use when I want to do my simple inspection mission on the field. Thank you for watching.